morning for this. It's Vlogtober day 22 and we are at our first competition of the season. What time is it? It's like not even 8:30.
Too early.
Look at all this coffee. It would never be enough. Oh my gosh. I couldn't sleep last night. Okay, well, wish us luck. Oh my god, the odds of my phone making it to the end of the day today, slim to none. My purse is full of Uncrustables and coconut. Like,
yes, Uncrustables. I'm gonna want some of that later.
Good morning!
Let's see those bugs. They came out so good. Good morning.
Her blood's getting better. You said I could.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Thank you, Holeh. Hi. Wait, can I say hi? Wait, can I say hi? Put it up.
What did you get, Sarah? It's my almonds! Woo!
Your second place team is your Ballbrook Warriors. First place goes out to the Tori Prescott.
So all 4 of our teams hit their routines perfectly. Heck yeah, we got first. The girls just younger than us got first. And then we don't know about our youngest and our oldest teams yet, but I think I have an idea. Yay!
Go,
so we're heading home. It's been a long day.